What's up, everyone? Julian here, and today I have with me Enemy Action Kharkov. This is the second volume in the Enemy Action series designed by John Butterfield. It has a low complexity two-player system, as well as a system to play solitaire as both the Germans and the Soviets. It also has a card-driven impulse system and a chit-driven combat system, as well as some new rules that are specific to this game that weren't in the first volume. So I will open it up and give you guys a look at what's inside. So in this game, we have a total of 110 cards. We have one 10-sided die, some Ziploc bags. We have our rule booklet for the two-player system. Only 28 pages. Our rule booklet for the German solitaire. About 52 pages. And a third rule book for the Soviet solitaire. .44 pages. We have 5 11 by 17 player 8s. Two of the 11 by 17s are for the German solitaire, 2 are for the Soviet solitaire, and 1 is for the two-player game. We have 2 8.5 by 11 player 8s. And all of the player aids note in the corner whether they're for the Soviet solitaire, German solitaire, or two-player. We have 4 counter sheets. And these are pretty thick counters. And we have 3 paper maps, which I will open up so you guys can take a closer look at.